Walk and blow me, no blow position. You, Mr. Deputy Speaker, Question blow me, talk sabe, me like asking me go Prime Minister, also acting Treasurer. Papua New Guineans, the lowest income earners were earning 3 kina 50 an hour, and that equates to 28 kina per day. Even now, 5 years later, our lowest income earners are making 28 kina per day. This tin of fish, which most Papua New Guineans eat every day, low income earners, used to cost 5 kina 50 in 2019. This morning, it's 7 kina 50 in Port Moresby. In other parts of the country, it's more than 7 kina 50. This packet of rice used to cost 4 kina 50. Today, it's 6 kina in Port Moresby, and in other parts of Papua New Guinea, in Sepik, it's up around 7 kina. This packet of noodles used to be 80 toya. It's now 1 kina 20. Some parts, it's a kina 50. This packet of biscuits used to be 80 toya. It's now 1 kina 20 in Port Moresby. This constitutes what most Papua New Guineans eat at dinner time. If you add this up, if they have 2 meals a day, it's already more than the 28 kina that the low-income Papua New Guineans, our people, are making. All market mama, all is I sit down over the day, lo table market lol, just to get enough money to buy these very basic items. And you may over sabe. My questions are as follows. Number one, what fiscal initiatives has the government undertaken in the last 5 years to make these items affordable for our people? What initiatives you play in Kisim Peninsula? If not, what new initiatives do you have that will make these items affordable? Lol mama blayumi sa hatwok lo table market every day, nolin up lo buying na kidim, all pingini blol. Our future. If you have no immediate plans, or if you do have plans, could you tell our hard-working mothers sitting on the table market when you expect, is it end of this year, next year, or the year after, when do you expect that these items will be affordable for our hard-working mothers and our low-income earners? This la packet biscuit, yeah, I've been 80 toya. Now I'm 120. Basic arithmetic, 50% increase. You talk average below 5%. 25% inflationary impact over 5 years. But this is a 50% increase. No. People of Papua New Guinea pay him the largest amount of money of any member of parliament.
Yes,
there is a reason.
Yes.
He cannot pass the buck to the opposition when he controls all of the levers of state. That's not walk and blow him. He no blow opposition. You have the solutions. Show him. No can blame him opposition. Nothing. Do the job that the people are paying you for.
Yes. Honorable. Diklik lo osam stonin totok lo governor. Governor ask him rate lo inflation lo world or global inflation or Papua New Guinea inflation. I'm asking price blow pekay or something like that. Na pay or man Mary work lot sin, and he's still down to us. Me expecting Prime Minister lo talking this honorable house na country. Why the price controlling mechanisms are not in place? Where is the price controller these days? Now I'm asking question where the physical incentives and Prime Minister Nata Solon put, okay? And put in place. What are those physical incentives that he has put in place to help the businesses in the country, especially the manufacturing industry, who provide some of the biggest jobs, employment opportunities in the country.
I just want to remind the Prime Minister, when he refers to former governments, just like myself, he was part of the former government.
Yes, yes.
We need to stop passing the buck and start fixing the problems. Stop blaming former governments. Thank you.